Well, Pfizer announced today that their vaccine is 95% effective. Health officials in Alabama say both the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines look, quote, amazing. As of now, there's no set timeline for when a vaccine will be rolled out, but Senator Doug Jones said during a press conference today that Operation Warp Speed is ready to hit the ground running. Once a vaccine is available, it'll first be distributed to healthcare workers and first responders.
The rest of us need to act like there is no vaccine available because, as Dr. Fauci said last week, vaccines don't work, vaccination does.
In Alabama, all COVID vaccines will be free. Health officials say the Pfizer vaccine is safe, but fatigue is a possible side effect.